सेट में ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट, ऐसा कोई फनी मोमेंट या एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट जो आपको आज भी याद है?
Off screen we're just telling each other कि यार please संभाल लेना, गिराना मत मुझे, देख लेना.
So what is there in your handbag?
So I've got one lip gloss, got another lip gloss, and I've got one more lipstick.
Oh God, so many lipsticks.
I used to not go to family functions, because you know that, you're going to go there and, those uncles and aunties are going to be like, अरे बेटा क्या हो गया, पिंपल है आपको?
Hi Glow fam, welcome to the next fresh episode of Skin Coffee with Ghazal. I am Ghazal Kothari, founder of Lipoberry, certified formulator and your Glow buddy. Today's episode is all about top skincare swaps that change my skin. Small switches, big difference. That's the magic of skincare done right. And joining me today is someone whose journey I have loved following. Influencer, content creator and actor Priyal Shah. From digital glow setter, she has inspired thousands with her authentic content and relatable charm. Priyal, I'm so excited to have you.
I'm so happy to be here with you.
How you are feeling today?
I'm
Skin
feeling
Coffee with Ghazal.
I'm feeling amazing, and you look beautiful.
Thank you. You also look amazing.
Thank you
Priyal,
so much.
I remember that last time मैं आपसे मिली थी Lipoberry के launch पे.
Right.
उसके बाद I'm meeting you right now.
Correct.
I can see a huge transformation in you from then to now.
Yeah.
So can you share that one skincare ritual which you're following on a daily basis?
I'll honestly tell you that genuinely I'm just using Lipoberry vitamin C serum from that day to this day because, I have been following you also and Lipoberry, and I've been a thoroughly loyal customer to Lipoberry, and I can just vouch for that serum all the time, literally.
So अब तो हमने वो सीरम को एक्चुअली रीब्रांड कर दिया है
Right.
एंड फॉर्मुलेशन में भी हमने कुछ ट्वीक्स किए हैं.
Yeah.
बट डिड यू लव, मतलब previously did you love all the Lipoberry products?
I'm telling you, I love it. I have made
vitamin C.
I have made all my family members try it out. My brother, my mom, my friends, and you know it. We have shared all the stories and everything. So yeah, it's been I love it, and mainly because it's very natural ingredients goes into it.
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about those breakouts later on after using it.
Because we do a patch test
True.
on different skin types before the launch.
Yeah.
So they, like listeners and who is listening this show, people don't have to worry before buying our products क्योंकि
Yeah.
हर skin type पे हम patch test करते हैं and हमारे सारे products are dermatologist recommended. So you can also try that.
Yes, I mean, I have a very sensitive skin, so I am very sensitive with. I can't usually try out any products just like that, but Lipoberry products have been very good, and I've got very good results. So yeah, I'm very happy.
Amazing to hear that. Priyal, अभी आप एक series में आए थे, One Last Kiss on Foku TV.
Right,
तो I think पहले भी आपने काफी सारी series की है.
right.
But जब आपका first series जब था, I don't know what was your first series. Can you tell me what was your first series?
I did a lot of verticals recently, and they have been many. This thing, One Last Kiss was one of the most popular that went on Cuckoo TV. So yeah, we could talk about
तो
that.
set पे जब आप first time गए थे,
Right.
तो were you nervous or were you super confident? क्योंकि I can see confidence next to you.
Thank you. But yeah, I was very happy because I was working with the same team, same director, and same group of people. So yeah, it was more like a family, and it was more comfortable. So yeah.
Set पे ऐसा कोई incident, ऐसा कोई funny moment या embarrassing moment जो आपको आज भी याद है?
I think there have been many incidents like that, but the main thing would be like when you're doing some scene such as romantic scene when the heroine is falling on a hero's hand or something, and off screen we're just telling each other कि यार please संभाल लेना, गिराना मत मुझे, देख लेना. So yeah, I think those are very funny incidents that happens behind the scene. So yeah.
So how did you find it? मतलब how do you feel about it?
I feel amazing. I feel very lucky to be doing what I'm doing, and to get those level of opportunities and the love that I always get from people. And even the smallest one single person appreciating me makes my whole day. So I love it. I mean, it's
So when
amazing.
did you first realize
Hmm.
कि social media and this acting field
Yeah.
can be your career?
I think social media would be going way back then because, when there were blog posts, that was the time when I realized that, this was my thing. I used to write fashion blog posts and everything. So it was, Instagram was not even a thing at that time. So, and then rest is history. So, yeah.
So what do you feel कि influencer की life, like how can you find out कि influencer की life जैसी दिखती है glamorous on TV वो actually है या it is messy behind the scene?
It is a complete myth. It's the most wrong thing. What you see and what you get, it's a trap. Influencing is Instagram is a whole trap, and you should not fall for it. There are times when I'm posting things while just being on my home and on my couch, and I'm just posting like, okay, yeah, I'm traveling here, I'm traveling there, but actually I'm just sitting on the couch. So yeah, you should never fall for that trap. But yeah, it's fun.
Okay. So when did you first realize कि acting career can be your second career option?
So my mom is an actress. So, I've grown up seeing her, doing this amazing work and everything. But somehow I always wanted to be an entrepreneur or, something like a fashion designer and things like that. And I also had my own wellness center. So it was lockdown time and I had nothing to do. And I got this audition for a serial. And they were like, just do it. You're free right now. Lockdown hai, sab kuch band hai, kar lo. So when I just gave my audition, I got selected. I had no imagination that I would do it, and it happened. And that's when I did my first show, which was Apna Time Bhi Aayega on ZTV. So yeah, and then rest is the whole beautiful journey that I went through.
Wow,
Yeah,
amazing. So your first viral post.
yeah,
जब आपको बहुत सारे likes मिले थे, comments मिले थे.
right.
So what was your reaction? You were like, wow, you were dancing, what you were doing?
I always jump and I always scream to the top of my lungs, and I'll show everyone like, see, this post of mine is doing so good, or I got this much views. Recently, one of my reels even got 1 million plus views. So I was very happy and excited. But I think the moment which was very big, which I still can't forget, was when my first fan page was made. And I was on the set shooting, and when I saw that, okay, this is made, and I was screaming and I was showing it to everyone, like, see, when I got my fan page, yeah. And it was the most amazing moment of my life, yeah.
So when you have fans, of course,
Yeah.
तो हमें positive comments भी आते हैं, negative comments भी आते हैं.
Right.
So negative comments जब आते हैं, it makes you feel low.
Yeah.
मतलब
No.
ठीक है, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं.
No. Luckily, I don't face that many negative comments. I used to only face negative comments when I play some negative character or something. That's when I get a lot of negative comments. Why did you do this? Why did you act like that? But it's acting. So I feel good. I'm like, okay, if people are writing that means I did a good job with my character. I played it well. So yeah.
So do you read every comment?
Yes,
positive
I do.
Or negative?
Yes. I go through all my comments, all my DMs. I might not reply to them. Sometimes, but I go through all of it.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if Instagram shut down tomorrow,
Yeah.
so Priyar का plan B क्या है? Will you be a stand-up comic, dermatologist, or cosmetologist, or या फिर skincare coach?
Definitely, it has to be a cosmetologist because dermatologist, as we had discussed earlier, that it needs a lot of studies, and now I don't have that time and patience to do it. But it would be a cosmetologist or something related to that only. It's definitely a plan B for me because I really love skincare. I really love, I have a lot of interest in that. So it would be that.
Okay. So, जितने भी cosmetologists हैं
Right.
आजकल, so do you feel that all are reliable and listeners को like आँख बंद करके किसी के पास भी चले जाना चाहिए?
No. I feel like, you should be very particular who you're going to. And even after going to, just make sure that, if their treatments are suiting you well, their medications or their, planning or whatever that they're giving you, if it works, because not every skin would react nicely. I have had multiple terrible issues with dermats and cosmetologists and everything. I had once, very bad acne flare-up. And I might have gone to one of the Mumbai's bestest dermats. I spent bomb of money. Like, I might have made a property by now if, I would have saved that money. And it's such a bad thing because you know they're charging you so much because they have a good name now, and it's not necessary that their treatments are going to suit me. I mean, then I went to my some very random local dermat and I got from the one medication, you know, it was too good. So I feel like you should be very particular. And now there are Google, so you know you can go to Google reviews and you know see what reviews are there on their platforms and just be mindful
Because
about
I
it.
also heard from a lot of people कि dermatic treatment भी उनको suit नहीं करते हैं.
Yeah,
And they give you ample of creams. There's a
True.
lot of chemicals होते हैं.
true.
It may be not the same with
Yeah,
every dermat, but yeah, there are dermats जिनसे face भी actually I have you know heard people saying कि उनका पूरा face black हो गया है.
yes,
lot of
yes,
chemicals
yes.
and all.
Yeah.
So I think मुझे लगता है कि हम घर के देसी नुस्खे या लाइफस्टाइल फॉलो करें
right.
एंड क्लीन फूड खाएं
True,
तो
true.
मुझे नहीं लगता हमें डरमेट के पास जाने की जरूरत
Very true. I mean, you know, I will tell you one incident of mine. I went to one dermat and she was like, you know what, you need this cream which was imported from Europe. So now imagine how much of money I would have put in, and it was just this much small. Like it was, you could just finish it in one go. Like it was that amount, and I spent a bomb on that cream, and I did it because you know I was so helpless, and I just did that, and it was the most stupidest thing I've ever done. So yeah.
ऐसे कौन से स्किन केयर स्वैप्स हैं जो आपने अपनी स्किन के लिए फॉलो किए हैं जैसे लाइक आई टेल यू मेरा एक स्किन केयर स्वैप जो मैंने फॉलो किया
हाँ.
है दैट इज पहले मैं बहुत हार्श क्लेंजर्स यूज़ करती थी बिफोर लीफोबेरी और मैंने स्विच किया है मॉर्निंग में बेसन एंड हल्दी एज माई क्लेंजर
Yeah.
और इवनिंग में लीफोबेरी का लाइट वेट क्लेंजर
Okay.
So now you have to tell me that all listeners को ऐसे 4 to 5 swaps which you did for your skin.
I think I don't have 4 to 5. I so I used to apply a lot of creams and you know layering down all the serums, uske upar creams and all. I have stopped doing all of that. I don't do any of it. I just use normal face wash. That's it. That also very basic, like you know neem or haldi wala jo face washes hote hain. That's it. That one. And I don't use any expensive things or anything. In the night, I might use 1 or 2 serums. That's it. Lip balm. That's the only thing that I do. And might be multani mitti, you know, as a face pack once in a blue moon. So yeah.
तो ऐसा कोई स्वैप जो आप पहले यूज़ करते थे और अभी यूज़ नहीं करते हो और अभी आपने चेंज कर लिया हो तो यू आर स्विच्ड
I'm telling you, a lot of, I used to use a lot of products before, you know, those expensive face wash cleansers and, you know,
से आप you came to
I came to the basics.
the basic.
Yeah, the basics, like, you know, like even the serums or anything that I use, I make sure that, you know, they have natural ingredients in it. I'm like the ones with the, I
From
told you.
chemicals you shifted to the natural.
Yeah, the natural basics.
Because
Yes,
basic
yes,
quality.
yes. Now I don't fall for those, you know, expensive serums and all. I just don't buy it anymore. Yeah.
सब लिसनर्स को एडवाइस कर सकते हो कि वो अगर ढूंढ रहे हो कि उनको अपने स्किन केयर में क्या स्वैप करना है
Yeah.
मतलब दे आर न्यू टू दैट तो उनको एक साथ सारी चीजें स्वैप कर देनी चाहिए या वन एट अ टाइम ऐसा कुछ स्किन केयर स्वैप फॉर देम
I think go one at a time.
already mentioned कि go one at a time और
Yeah.
केमिकल से नेचुरल पे शिफ्ट हो
Yeah,
जाए तो
that is the biggest thing, biggest swap that you can do. You know, stop using chemical products. Go for, and now that there are so many products in the market, you know, which are more herbal and you know, which are so nicer to your skin and even to the environment as well.
Yeah.
So you could just go from that. That is the biggest switch that you can do. I feel like that's the biggest one.
Okay. Priya, what is the weirdest hack you have ever done for your skin just because of the content?
Oh, I think so. Once I got this very weird hair care product, and it smelled terrible.
Okay.
But then I had to do it, so I tried it out. I used it, and I'm never doing that again. It smelled so terrible that even after my hair wash for a week, I was still smelling like that. So yeah,
okay,
so that would be the last thing I'm doing again.
What did you do?
It was, I mean, so there was this company which had sent me their products, and they had this hair care serums and you know all 3-4 steps of hair care and everything, which I did it for the content, and I regret doing it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what do you advise listeners कि hair के लिए घरेलू नुस्खा क्या हो सकता है उनके लिए?
I think oiling your hair, that is the bestest thing. I mean, it generates your nerves and your whole body blood circulation is also better with it. So I think oiling is the bestest one. But if oil doesn't suit you or something, you could just switch to coconut oils or any other forms of oils and other things. So yeah, I think that's the best thing for the hair.
Okay.
Yeah.
Did you ever regret कि किसी और इन्फ्लुएंसर ने कोई प्रोडक्ट हाइप किया है और आपने उसको बाय कर लिया है?
I mean, I don't regret it because I love shopping and even if I don't like it, I would still buy it. So I don't regret buying, but yeah, many times, when you see products and, when you see, I'm very addicted to buying makeup. So when I see those, fancy eyeshadow palettes and everything, and I bought them and it's just sitting there in my closet and I have not used it.
Coming there.
I have not used it.
I was coming there कि प्रियल की कबर्ड में ऐसी क्या-क्या चीजें हैं जो सिर्फ पड़ी है शो पीस के लिए.
Many things.
End of the day, you have to throw it in the bin.
I genuinely did that.
Realize, oh my God, ये waste हो गया.
Genuinely, this happened to me. So I bought this very fancy eyeshadow palette and I never used it. And in fact, I forgot about it and it was there in my closet. And when I opened it, there was all fungus on it.
Yeah.
And, I just had to throw it and I was like, oh God,
God.
And now I've stopped buying it. Now I can't buy it. So, yeah.
So what is there in your current handbag? I want to check कि आप travel में क्या-क्या carry करते हैं.
Okay.
Please show it to the listeners.
Sure. So, I mean, this is a very small, tiny bag that I've got today. But, I mean, of course, speaking about makeup, so I've got one lip gloss. Then, got another lip gloss. I love lip glosses, so yeah. Then I've got a tint.
Yeah.
I think you're just going to find a lot of makeup and a lot of lipsticks and stuff like that. Then I've got one more lipstick. I mean, imagine it's such a tiny bag and I'm removing so many lipsticks and one more lipstick.
Oh God, so many lipsticks. मतलब
Yeah.
how do Pril apply? One hour
This
ये, one
is-
hour ये, one
Yeah, I feel, and imagine,
keeps on changing.
and I just came for a couple of hours and I've
Keep on
got,
changing.
I wish, I mean, if I could, I would have loved that. But yeah, so, I mean, that's it.
So what
Those
is the
are the-
reason of carrying so many lipsticks at one go?
So sometimes, what happens is that, I keep it in the bag and then I forget about them. And then when I'm again leaving and then I'll be like, oh shit, this is the lip shade that I'm applying and, I need it again. So then I would again throw it in my bag.
I can
And-
relate with it क्योंकि मेरे बैग में lipsticks का कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. I
Yeah.
have 10 to 12 lipsticks at one go.
Even I have it. I mean,
And then I keep searching in the cupboard. अरे यार ये lipstick कौन से बैग में आया? And then I
same. here.
hunt in all the bags. Oh God, skin lipstick आ गई. And then
Sometimes, I feel like, this lipstick is stolen and I'm never going to find it again. And, somebody must have taken it from my bag or, somebody. And yeah, I feel like, more the better. You're safe. I feel very safe with the
you're a
level.
lipstick lover and lipstick shop.
Yes. So even if I won't apply any makeup or anything, I will always have a lipstick on. That's lipstick and mascara is the thing that I'll always have.
एक कहावत है मॉर्निंग में कचरे वाली आती है तब भी हम लिपस्टिक
Yeah. That is me. I will always have it, So yeah, even if it's like a morning breakfast, I would have. Even I'm very obsessed nowadays with tinted lip glosses that you get,
हमेशा stay रहे कभी remove नहीं
Yeah.
होगा.
So, you get this very nice tinted lip glosses, which you just apply and then they take the shade of your lips and all. So I'm very obsessed with that lately.
So Priyal, you're constantly in front of the cameras
Right.
and there are days जब आपकी skin आपके साथ cooperate नहीं करती है. How do you manage to be confident in front of the cameras?
Oh God. So I
Yeah.
face that a lot lately because I'm applying makeup every day and the makeup is very heavy base that we do. And for 20 hours, sometimes, I'm working for straight 24 hours also, which is crazy. But, I'm just going home for changing my clothes and coming back again on the set. So imagine my skin is not even able to breathe and I am not able to do any skincare or anything. And I had very worst acne flare-up recently. And one was, I was shooting for one of the web series and, I had this acne everywhere and my whole skin was red. it was so, I mean, it was so awkward, and you know, you feel a little underconfident because,
Low,
you know,
yeah.
low, and when your skin is breaking out. So it's difficult to feel confident. But then again, you know, you need to love yourself, you need to love, and you need to understand this is
Yeah.
just a phase and it's going to
Yes,
end,
yes.
and it's not a complete straight
Yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
And I think, you know, when you accept it, that okay, I know that, you know, this 2-3 days, I know it's going to settle down. I'm going to apply my creams and do whatever that, you know, is needed for it. And it's going to settle down. So just have that thing that this is temporary, and that will give you a lot of confidence, and, you know, you'll feel better and
Yeah.
more happier, I
More
feel.
is that हमें confident होना पड़ता है
Yes,
to make
yes.
other feel
Very
confident.
true, very true. I mean, I would say when I was in my teens and when I had this acne flare up, I used to not go to family events. I used to not go to family functions, you know, because you know that, you know, you're going to go there, and, you know, those uncles and aunties are going to be like, "Arey beta, kya ho gaya? Pimple hai aapko?" You know? And you feel
I
more
can
awkward.
relate that क्योंकि जब मैं भी young थी,
Yeah.
so when I was 17 or 18 years old, and कभी भी कोई पिंपल ब्रेकआउट या कोई ब्रेकआउट हो
Right.
जाता था, तो कहीं पे भी जाते थे, ये पिंपल कैसे हो गया बेटा, ये
Exactly.
कैसे हो गया, ये लगाओ वो लगाओ, मतलब उनकी
And they'll have 10 other
10
nuskes that they'll
नुस्खे
give
कि
you.
हाँ ये
Yeah, yeah,
लगाना
yeah.
चाहिए, ये लगाना चाहिए, हमें तो कभी नहीं आया है, ऐसा कैसे हो गया है.
Yeah. So, you know, so then I used to avoid only going. Okay, मुझे वो सब में पढ़ना ही नहीं है. But now the change, you know, I feel over the time is that, you know, now I'm more confident with it. Now I know it that okay, this is happening, and I know the reason why this is happening,
Yeah.
and I know it that this will also settle, because now I've seen those
Yeah.
phases. I know those acnes are not permanent, or not even the marks or scars, you know. So I think it's like, just know it. It's all a phase, and it will go away. It will go away.
What is your personal definition of glow? It is only skin or something deeper?
I feel it's all about your emotions. You know, what you feel internally is what you radiate out. You know, and if I'm feeling very dull internally, you will get my vibe. You know, you will instantly feel like, oh, you're looking dull today. You know, what's wrong? What happened? And in case if I'm happy internally, you'll be like, oh, Phil, you're glowing. You know, there's so much difference in you, and
Internal glow actually reflect on
it
face.
definitely, and it's all your thought processes. You know, 110%.
Positive thinking.
Positive thinking and your thoughts. You know, what you're letting it enter, and that is what comes out.
Listeners से काफी सारे myth आए हैं related to vitamin C.
Hmm.
So let's break it together.
Yeah.
तो पहला जो myth आया है वो ये है कि विटामिन सी रात में नहीं लगाना चाहिए.
I to apply it at night only, because that's the only time when I get, you know, that much hours that, you know, it will go into my skin and penetrate and hydrate it. So yeah, I apply it at night, and I feel it's the biggest myth.
Okay. And ये भी आया है कि morning में भी नहीं लगाना चाहिए.
तो कब लगाएंगे? रात को नहीं, दिन
कुछ ने
में.
कहा है रात में मत लगाओ, कुछ ने कहा है मॉर्निंग में
Yeah.
मत लगाओ. तो आपको क्या लगता है मॉर्निंग में लगाना चाहिए?
You apply it whenever you want to. I mean, there is no such timings. What I feel that, you know, okay, you should be applying this creams at this timing only. No, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Apply it if you're comfortable in the day. Apply it in the day. If you're comfortable in the night, you do it in the night. I mean, I personally like doing my skincare in the night because I feel it would stay longer hours on my skin. So, I mean, it's up to you. You know, whatever you feel comfortable in.
Yeah. और विटामिन सी मॉर्निंग में जब लगाया जाता है तो उसको सनस्क्रीन के साथ जरूर अप्लाई करना चाहिए क्योंकि वरना वो 50% रिजल्ट ही देता है.
True.
या सो इफ यू वांट 100% रिजल्ट तो आई थिंक लिसनर्स जो हमें सुन रहे हैं अगर वो मॉर्निंग में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज उसको सनस्क्रीन के साथ जरूर कंबाइन करें ताकि आपको 100% रिजल्ट मिल पाए उसके. चलो हम बढ़ते हैं अपने सेकंड मिथ की तरफ.
Definitely.
विटामिन सी इज इक्वल्स टू लेमन जूस.
Yeah. I mean, is it true or false? I'm so sorry.
It's a myth कि
Okay,
लोग
it's a-
बोलते हैं चाहे विटामिन सी यूज करो या लेमन जूस यूज करो.
Oh, no. I don't think so. I don't really think. I think it's a myth. Because, I mean, lemon would have its own this thing. Vitamin C is completely different. And,
आपको
you
क्या
know,
लगता है लेमन यूज करना चाहिए?
no, definitely not. Because it's going to be very harsh on your skin.
It will burn your
If it burn your skin, you might get rashes. So, no, I would suggest don't do it ever. Don't try it. No, I don't think it's the right thing to do.
and vitamin C is a stable formula.
Yes, yes, and it's made for your skin. So the ingredients that go into it. It's not just vitamin C in it. There are many other things also that goes into that serum bottle. So it's not recommended.
मिथ है जो हमारे लिसनर्स ने हमें भेजा है, दैट इज कि विटामिन सी सब स्किन टाइप के लिए नहीं है. So what is your
No. I feel vitamin C is for every skin type, every skin color, and it just because it brightens up your skin, despite what skin color you are in or what texture you have or anything. It doesn't matter. It just doesn't. And it's very good for everyone to apply because it gives you a very nice radiant glow, and it just brightens up your skin. I mean, I too have felt a difference in my acne marks also, because it just blemishes and all of those things. It fades away. Exactly.
वो इस पे भी काम करते हैं.
Exactly. So I have faced that, and I too feel like, you can apply it.
तो डू यू थिंक कि विटामिन सी मॉइस्चराइजर में भी वही काम करता है जो सीरम में वर्क करता है?
No. I don't think so, because I think in moisturizer it gets lightened,
and भी काफी सारे मॉइस्चराइजर्स आ रहे हैं विद विटामिन सी.
True.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि फॉर्मूला स्टेबल नहीं रह पाता है,
Very true.
एंड जो आपको वाटर बेस में मिलता है वो एक पोटेंट होता है हमारी स्किन,
Right.
एंड यू कैन टेक 100% बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ दैट.
True. Very true. I mean, there are face washes also, which which
मतलब I
promotes-
don't know, people are putting vitamin C in face washes, जबकि वो तो rinse off product है.
I
कितनी देर आपकी स्किन पे स्टे करेगा?
Exactly. I mean, so I think that's just a temporary it just brightens up your skin, like, for 5-10 minutes, and then again you're back to your original skin. But when you apply a serum, the effects are much more longer. So, yeah.
So thank you, Priya. It was amazing talking to you. But before we close, I have something special for you. So Priya, this is for you.
Oh my God,
Yeah,
it's
you
so
have your-
pretty. Oh my God, it has my face. It's so cute. I get so excited when I see those small cute
Thank
stuff, and I'm just a girl, guys.
You have one more for you. So these are tools.
Okay.
These are ice globes, gua sha, and roller. I think
I have used all the Leafo Berries products, all of them.
and few accessories.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. It's so pretty. It's so cute.
So Priya, now let's move to our next segment.
Yeah.
We're gonna definitely have lots of fun at this pimple pin code game.
Okay.
चलें हम अपनी
All right.
तरफ?
Let's go.
So Priya, now let's move to our fun segment. आज हमने जिसके बारे में बहुत सारी बात
Right.
रिलेटेड टू पिंपल्स, तो अभी हम उसी की तरफ बढ़ने वाले हैं अपना पिंपल पिन कोड गेम के बारे में.
Okay.
राइट? आपको जैसे पता है कि हर एक हमारे फेस पे बहुत सारे ब्रेकआउट्स होते हैं.
Right.
हर एक ब्रेकआउट का एक एड्रेस है, एंड हर एक एड्रेस का एक सोल्यूशन भी है.
Oh God.
एंड नाउ वी गॉट
Don't tell me. Oh my God.
चल वी मूव.
Sure.
सो प्रिया, अभी जैसे मैंने कहा हर एक पिंपल का एक एड्रेस होता है,
Right.
और हर एक एड्रेस का सोल्यूशन भी होता है.
Right.
तो अब मैं आपको एड्रेसेस बताऊंगी, उनके कॉजेज बताऊंगी. यू विल हैव टू हेल्प मी फाइंडिंग द सोल्यूशन ऑफ दैट.
Okay.
Shall we
Okay.
start?
Yeah.
Let's start with forehead pimple.
I think I would go with aloe vera gel. If that works.
Aloe vera works at to some extent,
Yeah.
but the best treatment for forehead pimples is vetiver water.
Oh.
Yeah, because vetiver water cool करता है आपके forehead को,
Huh.
and it is like the best toner for your forehead.
Okay. Even I didn't know about this.
अब हम चलते हैं अपने नेक्स्ट पे, राइट?
Okay.
व्हाट शैल आई पिक? ओके, बिटवीन द ब्रोज. डू यू नो कि ब्रोज के बीच में एक्ने होता है बिकॉज ऑफ द लिवर
Liver.
ओवरलोड. हमारा लिवर
Right.
बोल रहा है प्लीज डिटॉक्स करो.
Okay.
लिवर के लिए व्हाट डू यू थिंक इज द बेस्ट थिंग टू डू?
I think the coconut water
And-
I think green tea, toner,
So-
and coconut water.
So coconut water will also work. I think no fried food
Yeah.
will be, of course, liver.
Liver,
है.
yeah, true.
Second will be, I think, lemon water, जो कि
True,
best liver
true.
detox ड्रिंक है.
Yeah.
जब भी बोलते हैं अल्कोहल या बहुत पी ली हो किसी ने, तो
Yes.
लेमन वाटर
is the bestest one for your hangovers.
Detox
Just another
and fermented rice works best.
right.
तो आई थिंक लिवर के लिए अगर हम
We've
बात
got,
करेंगे तो डेफिनेटली इट वर्क्स बेस्ट. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट विथ टेम्पल्स. अगर हमें अपने टेम्पल पे ब्रेकआउट हो गया, दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द किडनी एंड डिहाइड्रेशन.
Okay.
अब नाउ यू कैन इजीली गेस कि जब डिहाइड्रेशन होता है तो
Coconut water. Where is my coconut water?
coconut water and
I think one major thing is this clean pillowcases. You know that
yeah, temples
because
क्योंकि
you know, you're sleeping on your right side. So
yes. And I think have to reduce salt.
yeah,
And temples पे जब होता है तो as I mentioned कि जो forehead के लिए काम करता है vetiver water,
yeah,
क्योंकि कूल करता है आपकी स्किन को तो
Correct.
again is the best solution.
correct.
बट ये सिर्फ टॉपिकल सॉल्यूशन है, पर
Internally, yeah.
इंटरनली क्योंकि हम कॉजेज बता रहे हैं
True.
और सोल्यूशन सिर्फ टॉपिकल बता रहे हैं.
True.
तो आई थिंक जो लिसनर्स हमें सुन रहे हैं उनको ये फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा कि उनकी किडनी में कुछ इशू है या दे आर नॉट ड्रिंकिंग इनफ वाटर फॉर
Correct.
डिहाइड्रेशन, तो दे कैन हाइड्रेट.
Correct. Okay.
लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट एड्रेस.
Yeah.
राइट, अपर चीक्स. अपर चीक्स में पिंपल्स का कॉज होता है कि लंग्स में आपके कुछ हुआ है तो लंग्स आर सेइंग कि मुझे प्लीज डिटॉक्स कर
Yeah.
दो. Because of pollution also it can happen, and if you have weak immune system,
True.
and basically because of smoke too.
Right.
So let's find out the solution.
I even heard that it also happens because of your gut. Is it
That is-
true?
See, gut अगर proper नहीं है
Right.
definitely
है ना?
digestive issues तो
Digestive
को ही
issues.
खराब करता है,
Yeah.
काम डल भी करता है.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay. So for that, I think flaxseed diet and
Tea with tulsi will be very good for
yeah.
treatment अगर किसी को upper cheeks पे acne है.
Right.
And second is like rose water mist, क्योंकि ये आपके
It
फेस को
just-
cooling, refreshing and
हाँ.
calming effect देता है.
I think clean pillowcases goes for your whole this
Yeah.
thing because you know
Not for chin,
but for your whole cheek and everything.
गंदे पिलो केसेस तो
Even
है तो cheek पे ही सबसे पहले
Yeah.
ब्रेकआउट होता है.
I think even clean phone also makes a huge difference because you know I'm talking like that. So
Yes, clean phone. Yeah.
clean phone, so yeah.
तो प्रिया अब हम अपने नेक्स्ट एड्रेस पे चलते हैं,
Okay.
जो कि अभी आपने प्रीवियसली मेंशन किया था कि गट अगर इम्बैलेंस हो तो वो किस लिए होता है.
Right.
क्योंकि अगर लोअर चीक्स पे पिंपल्स हो गए तो बेसिकली आपका गट इम्बैलेंस है और फोन के बैक्टीरिया की वजह से भी हो सकता
True.
है. राइट, आई थिंक
Right.
फोन के बैक्टीरिया की
phone-
वजह से तो इवन अपर चिक्स पे भी हो सकते हैं.
Yeah, yeah.
सो दैट बट हाँ,
I feel-
बेसिकली अगर हम बात करें तो स्टमक इश्यूज की वजह से आपके
Right.
लोअर चिक्स पे एक्ने हो सकते हैं.
And I think this also plays a major role.
No, that
in
is for your
getting, no?
chin.
Oh, I think, but it's this part, no, lower, no.
So this is chin. Chin is different. And
अच्छा,
this is
okay.
lower cheek.
Okay.
तो I think इसका best treatment you can find it out. Imbalance है, अगर हम बोलते हैं gut imbalance.
I think
तो
probiotics
हाँ, probiotics
plays a major role. Yeah.
And probiotics में आप क्या recommend करेंगे listeners को?
I think nowadays you get good probiotic medicines also, which has pre and probiotics. You know, you get those powders. You get
वो एफिल्स भी आते हैं.
yes, you get those
Good
dissolve.
for kids.
Yeah. I mean, I drink it every day. I get those dissolving tablets also that you get now. So it's like you've got pre many things.
Prebiotics and probiotics दोनों ही बहुत
Yes,
major
yes,
role
yes,
play
yes.
करते हैं.
And nowadays you get both the things in that one capsules and one this thing also, you know.
And I think even Allogel works. I think
Allogel works, so it's it's a universal, yeah.
Pimples पे तो
Yeah.
but
I will
basic
that.
जो हम एड्रेस आपको शो कर रहे हैं लिसनर्स, ये इसीलिए शो किया जा रहा है नॉट फॉर टॉपिकल ट्रीटमेंट, कि आपका इंटरनली भी सिस्टम कितना डिस्टर्ब है ताकि आप उस पर वर्क कर पाए. जैसे लोअर चिक्स के लिए हमने फाइंड आउट किया गट इम्बैलेंस, अपर चिक्स के लिए भी फाइंड आउट लंग्स की वजह से. तो प्लीज कॉजेज ध्यान रखिए सो दैट इट विल हेल्प यू कि आपकी बॉडी में इंटरनली क्या प्रॉब्लम हो.
Yeah, very true.
चलिए, अब नोज पे जब एक्ने होता है तो उसका बेसिक जो मेन कॉज है दैट इज बिकॉज ऑफ योर हार्ट.
Oh.
It is not only one.
Yeah.
जरूरी नहीं है कि organ में ही कोई mistake
हाँ.
है तो it can be many reason. आपका
Okay.
T-zone oily है तो भी हो
Right,
सकता है.
right.
You have oily skin,
Right.
but they can find it out.
Yeah.
उसके साथ
But heart is related to it.
दूसरी symptoms भी होते हैं.
Right.
Oily skin and BP.
Okay.
Yeah. But
So I
ऐसा नहीं
think-
है कि BP जिसको भी उसको नोज पे एक्ने है.
Right.
It is just कि
Just
हो
one of
सकता
हो
है,
सकता
one of that
possibilities.
possibility.
Yeah. So for that, I think low salt, reduce salt because BP and
Yeah.
salt is
Yes,
related.
yes,
So
yes.
reduce
Definitely.
salt. I think flaxseed would
Flaxseed
also
work for your chin because वो hormonal
hormones.
related.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes.
But then I think it helps with a good diet helps your BP also. So we could. What would you suggest?
जो मैं सजेस्ट करूंगी for nose जैसे मैंने T zone की बात करी.
Right for
Clay
oil.
mask like works
Yeah.
wonder for that
Yeah.
and vetiver water definitely.
Okay.
तो सबके लिए ही है vetiver water
Right.
and
Green tea toner.
तो टोनर्स बेसिकली हमारे टी जोन को बैलेंस करने के लिए टोनर्स तो बहुत
They work amazing. Yeah.
नाउ लेट्स मूव टू आवर लास्ट एड्रेस
Okay.
चिन पे जब हमें एक्ने होता है तो उसका मेन कॉज होता है बिकॉज ऑफ
Hormones.
हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस और पीसीओएस.
Right, right, right.
जब हम डॉक्टर के पास इनिशियली व्हेन आई गॉट एक्ने मैंने स्टोरी नहीं बताई है बट आई एम शेयरिंग दिस राइट नाउ. आई गॉट एक्ने हेयर लॉट ऑफ एक्ने जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ हम जो ट्रीटमेंट लेते हैं लेजर हेयर रिडक्शन एंड ऑल. आई गॉट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई वेंट टू 10 डर्मैट्स कि और मैं उनको बोल रही हूँ कि लिसन मुझे ये नॉट बिकॉज आई हैव पीसीओडी और हार्मोनल इश्यूज
Right.
दे आर नॉट रेडी टू लिसन.
Right.
नहीं आप यू गेट योर पीसीओएस डन यू आई सेड माय रिपोर्ट्स आर ऑल गुड. मुझे उसकी वजह से नहीं हुआ. आई नो कि ये बिकॉज ऑफ लेजर शेविंग इरिटेशन
Right,
उसकी वजह
right,
से.
right.
बट मुझे लगता है डर्मेटोलॉजिस्ट को भी थोड़ी पढ़ाई करने की और जरूरत है
थोड़ी नहीं बहुत.
क्योंकि चिन पे सिर्फ एक ही रीजन से एक्ने नहीं हो सकते हैं.
Correct.
ऑफ कोर्स ये एक मेन रीजन है, डेफिनेटली है. 80% इसकी वजह से हो सकते हैं बट
Right.
शेविंग इरिटेशन एंड क्योंकि बॉयज भी तो शेव करते हैं उनको भी जो है एक्ने होता है.
Exactly.
एंड जब हम लेजर यूज करते हैं तो उसकी
Correct.
जो हीट निकलती है उसकी वजह से भी
Yeah.
पिंपल्स.
That's what we discussed earlier, no? Okay, you need to see what suits your skin. You know,
Yes,
sometimes the treatments that the dermats are giving,
हाँ.
not necessarily it
अगर
will
आपने
suit you.
पीसीओएस का टेस्ट भी करवा लिया और फिर भी है तो फिर इट इज नॉट बिकॉज
I know.
Yeah.
I mean, I face the same thing. You know, when I started getting acne, they were like, you know, it's because of your. And I'm telling them it's because of my hormones. You know, I think I need to treat it internally first so that you know it stops coming out, and then I could do the external treatment. But they didn't listen, and I suffered for years. So yeah, some dermats do need some education.
क्या सोल्यूशन हो सकते हैं?
So one, this of course
Yeah.
that affects.
अपनी साइकिल को ट्रैक करो.
Yeah.
या फ्लेक्सीड बहुत
Flaxseed,
करती है हमारे
hormones and
PCOS,
everything.
हाँ,
Yeah.
PCOS और पीसीओडी
True.
जैसे चीजों को कंट्रोल करने में.
Yeah.
ऐसा बोला जाता है कि चिन पे अगर पिंपल्स हैं
हाँ.
बिकॉज ऑफ हार्मोनल चेंजेस तो अगर यहाँ पे आप एलो टर्मरिक मास्क लगाओगे इट हेल्प्स अ लॉट.
Oh, okay. I think aloe turmeric mask would help for other pimples as well,
Also.
right?
हाँ बट चिन पे वो बहुत वंडरफुल वर्क करते हैं. शुगर
हाँ. or what
शुगर
should
एंड
we-
इवन मिल्क
and even
मिल्क
fried
प्रोडक्ट्स
food.
भी अवॉइड
Dairy products,
पीसीओएस
yeah,
वालों को
yes,
और
yes,
जिनको
yes.
हार्मोनल इश्यूज है.
Yeah.
मिल्क तो आई विल से कंप्लीटली नो फॉर देम. अगर फिर भी उनको बहुत मिल्क की टी पीने की आदत है या कॉफी पीने
Yeah.
की
But
आदत है
just
तो
put little.
आई रिकमेंड उन लोगों के लिए आई रिकमेंड ओट्स मिल्क
Yeah.
आमंड मिल्क. मतलब
Yeah,
इससे बेस्ट तो
yeah.
कुछ भी नहीं है.
I mean, because I suffer through PCOD, so yeah, I've stopped dairy products, and you know
Dairy
that
products
that
and
has
even
made
sugar.
major difference. Yeah, even sugar. And it has
Sugar is the
literally
worst
made-
food for your skin.
It is worse for everything.
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 हाँ.
Avoid sugar as much as you can, but then यार स्वीट टूथ होता है तो क्या ही कर सकते
करना
हैं.
पड़ता है.
करना पड़ता है, बट बैलेंस कर लो फिर.
शुगर की सब्स्टिट्यूट भी आ गए हैं, अभी तो जैगरी पाउडर ले सकते हैं.
Nowadays, so you get such good desserts which are sugar free. I mean, you know, you get ice creams which are sugar free.
शुगर फ्री आ गए हैं
Cakes,
and
cheesecake and
craving हो रही है,
everything.
So
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can have jaggery
Now I'm
cakes
getting
and-
tempted.
So it was so
Yeah.
much fun with you. I enjoyed a lot.
It is lovely having. It is lovely being here, and thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being the wonderful guest for today's episode.
Thank you.
So Glow fam, wasn't that fun? Instead of panicking when you see a breakout, just check its pin code. Your skin is literally posting your letter saying, hey, I need balance here. And if you decided right, half the battle is won. Glow fam, today's biggest takeaway is this: don't copy paste someone else's routine. Instead, make small, thoughtful swaps that truly work for your skin. Skincare is personal. Your skin deserves its own story. Until then, stay glowing, stay hydrated, stay you. और हाँ, अपनी स्किन से दोस्ती करना मत भूलना.